Is localized application entry logic crashing because of the System Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Avoid long manual edits for System Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the System Library, a generic naming convention used by many legacy applications to store their primary system configuration routines. It is frequently associated with older CAD software or industrial tools. Because it is non-standard, its absence usually requires a full reinstall of the specific application to restore the localized configuration parameters. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. ntd-sapi is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the system library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Most individual downloads of NTDS API DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for System Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saves System Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.